Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day to help you lose weight permanently. Today, we're gonna be doing a 20-minute beginner style arm workout. I got 6 different exercises for you. Let's go. First exercise, we're gonna be doing some dumbbell rows. Go ahead and grab a weight. You're gonna have a big step forward, big step back, opposite arm and leg, and we're gonna drive the elbows up. 2, 1, and let's go. You got 40 seconds. After you do this on your left arm, we're gonna switch sides and we'll do it on your right arm. Okay, give me a big pull. Every time you pull, you're gonna breathe out. Nice, keep the shoulder joint nice and strong. Keep the core tight, find that balance. Nice work, guys. 15 seconds. Continue to work those arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, go ahead and switch sides. Again, opposite arm and leg here. I'm gonna have my left leg forward, weight's gonna be on my right arm. Big step back. I'm going to lean forward, keep that core tight, and then drive the elbows up. As you get tired, you'll feel that the shoulder wants to come up. Keep that shoulder down the whole time. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start dumbbell rows. Good, give me a big pull. As you pull, breathe out. Nice work, guys. Drive the elbows up as if you're gonna elbow someone behind you. Good. Bring your fist right towards your rib cage. And as you pull, breathe out. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. 20-second transition into the next exercise. We're gonna be doing some shoulder presses. You're gonna need 2 dumbbells for this one. Weights is gonna be right on your shoulders. Watch my elbows. I'm gonna tuck my elbows in, keep the chest up, and then I'm gonna press straight up to the ceiling, okay? Make sure you keep your back flat and your core tight. 2, 1, and let's go. We got 40 seconds. And as you press up, breathe out. Breathe out. Nice work, guys. You guys are doing great. Almost there, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, we're gonna drop the weights. Next, we're gonna be going into mountain climbers. You're gonna be in a plank position right here. Hands underneath the shoulders. Make sure your back is neutral. You're gonna tuck your bum underneath, and I'm gonna drive my right knee to the right elbow, left knee to the left elbow. Let's get ready. 2, 1, and let's go. Every time you drive the elbows up, excuse me, every time you drive the knees up, you're gonna breathe out. Good, keep the bum down, keep the core tight, head back, continue to breathe. 15 seconds. All right, finish strong here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work, guys. All right, standing up nice and tall. Next exercise, you're gonna need your dumbbells again. We're gonna be doing some hammer curls. Grab your weights. You're gonna have your palms facing in, chest up, shoulders back, and then we're gonna do some hammer curls. Ready, position. 3, 2, 1. Grab your weights and hammer curls. We got 40 seconds. Good, keep that chest up. Keep those elbows tucked in. And as you curl the arms up, breathe out. guys are doing great. We're halfway there, 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some overhead arm extensions. You're gonna have the dumbbells together like this to your chest, overhead, big step forward, keep those elbows up nice and high. I'm gonna squeeze those elbows together and then I'm gonna extend my arms just like this. Let's get ready. 2, 1, and let's go overhead arm extensions. As you extend the arms up, breathe out. Make sure your back is nice and flat. Your core is tight. Squeeze those elbows together, and we're gonna work the triceps. So we're gonna tone up the back of the arms. Good work. 15 seconds. Let's keep going. Breathe out at the top. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, drop the weights. Next exercise, we're gonna hold the plank on the elbows. So here, elbow directly underneath the shoulder. I'm gonna tuck my bum underneath, core tight, and I'm gonna hold that plank position. Pretend like someone is sitting on your back. Squeeze that core as hard as you can. Let's get ready. 2, 1, 40 seconds, and let's start. Good, keep the head back, squeeze your bum, squeeze your core. Shoulders are nice and strong. And hold that plank position. Nice work, guys, doing great. Suck in that core as hard as you can. Squeeze every single muscle. 15 seconds. And 10 seconds hard. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work, guys. All right, our last exercise of the set. We're gonna be doing some dumbbell pullovers. You're gonna be lying down like this. Keep a small bend in the elbows. We're gonna come down and then come straight back up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and pullovers. We're working the lats over here. Good, at the top, try to squeeze your armpits. This is gonna engage the lats. Keep those shoulders nice and strong. Good. And then notice how I'm not really bending my elbows like this. I'm keeping the same angle on my elbow. I'm coming down and I'm coming up. This is gonna really work the lats. Good. Squeeze the dumbbells at the top. Squeeze your armpit at the top and breathe out. Less than 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, you get a little break coming up. This is a great time to grab some water, do a little stretch, and then we're gonna come back in and we're gonna repeat that exercise. Got a 30-second break still. All right, let's start to get ready for our next exercise. We're gonna be going back to the dumbbell rows. So let's grab your weights again. We're gonna start with the left arm. Big step forward, big step back. I'm gonna lean forward and I'm gonna pull. 2, 1, and let's go. We got 40 seconds. Good, as you pull, breathe out. Breathe out. Nice work, guys. And if you feel like this weight is too heavy, you can modify by using a lighter weight. If you find the weight that you're using is too light, go ahead and grab a heavier weight. You want to make sure that each exercise is challenging enough for you, and then this is how we're going to be toning up. This is how we're going to be making progress in our workouts. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Go ahead and switch sides. Strong side, big step forward, big step back, lean back, shoulders down, drive elbows up, ready position. We're gonna start here in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Good, as you pull, breathe out. Try to pull your fist towards your rib cage. Good, and then very, very important to keep the elbows tucked in. You don't want the elbows flaring out to the side. You want those elbows tucked in here the whole time. Pretend like you're gonna elbow someone behind you. Drive those elbows up, keep those elbows tucked in. Continue to breathe. Good job. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. Our next exercise, we're going back to the shoulder presses. Go ahead and grab your weights again. Weights are gonna be right on your shoulders, feet shoulder width apart for stability, and you're gonna press straight up and then back down. Ready position. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Good, as you press up, breathe out. Press up, breathe out. Good, keep it going. Nice job, guys. Good work, halfway there, 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, drop the weights. Next exercise, we're going mountain climbers. You're gonna be in a push-up position, hands underneath the shoulders. Make sure you keep your bum down, and then right knee to right elbow, left knee to left elbow. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 40 seconds. Keep the head back. Keep the arms and shoulders nice and strong. Keep that core tight. Pretend someone's sitting on your back. Nice work. If you're doing all right, you should feel those shoulders burning, trying to keep you stable. Let's go a little quicker. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work, guys. All right, grab your dumbbells again. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing our hammer curls. Elbows tucked in, chest up. We're gonna curl the weights up. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Hammer curls. Keep the chest up, keep breathing. Doing great, guys. Halfway there already, 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Squeeze those arms. 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Okay, overhead arm extensions, working the triceps. Weights together to the chest, weights overhead. I'm going to squeeze my elbows together, big step forward, big step back, and then I'm going to extend. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Good. Feel the triceps working. Try to get those elbows straight at the top. And as you extend the weights up, breathe out. Breathe out. Nice work. Keep those elbows pointing to the ceiling. Good job. Keep those shoulders nice and tight. And extend. Good job. Work those triceps. You should feel a nice burn. Almost there. 15 seconds. Finish strong with me. Last 10 seconds. Squeeze hard. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Give me one more. 2, 1, and time. Let's work. All right. Drop the weights. We're gonna hold a solid plank next. You guys know what to do. We're gonna be going on our elbows. Ready, position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start it up. Keep the elbows underneath the shoulders, keep the head back, keep the core engaged, and breathe. Nice work, guys. You guys are doing great. Halfway there, 20 seconds. Good. Keep those shoulders strong. Keep that core tight. Squeeze every single muscle, less than 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, we got our last exercise coming up. We're gonna do our dumbbell pullovers. Grab your weights over your chest, down, keep the same angle on the elbow, and then pull straight up, squeeze your armpits at the top. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Good, and as you pull, I want you to breathe out. Pull, breathe out. Nice job. Good, keep it going. Keep the arms nice and strong. 15 seconds. Finish strong with me. 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for a 7-day free personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.